See how they automatically start paddling? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Good babies. Good babies. Come on, baby. Good babies. So you could kind of see how tiny they actually really are, right? Yeah. Once their fur goes down. They are tiny. Let me see if I can get them to get a little bit more in the water. Good boy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy. Come on, buddy. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on back. Good baby. Good boy. So that's what they do. They just be chilling. You see the other puppies? You see the other puppies? Good babies. He got confidence. He's right behind you. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. He's trying his best. Come here. But he's still trying to paddle. So you see how confident he was, bro? Yeah. He was ready to just go for it. That's because I got him used to older dogs already and bigger dogs. Right, boy? Come on, boy. That was a good swim.